So let's all talk about everyone's favorite topic, side hustles. We all chase that dream of, building something extra, right? A way to earn more, gain some freedom, maybe even escape the daily grind. And the internet is packed with ideas. Launch this weekend, get rich quick with this or that. But if you're honest, how many of those promises actually deliver? The reality is most side hustles don't last. There are hidden traps the gurus don't tell you about. They fizzle out, they demand too much, or just never turn into something real. So today I want to show you a different path, a side hustle, quote unquote, that actually grows in value over time, almost on its own. Just give it a little water, a little sun, and it keeps growing. I call it the virtuous weed. Should I trademark that? Why am I so convinced? Because I'm watching it happen in real time. My son Leo, who's going to turn 15 in a couple weeks, started a local newsletter with absolutely zero experience and zero budget. In just a few weeks, his subscriber count exploded by over 15,000%, which is nuts. Even better, local businesses started reaching out to him asking to sponsor the newsletter. And just yesterday, we signed a 3-month sponsorship deal with a national tutoring company. And this isn't some fluke. This is the power of a compounding model. We're documenting the whole journey here at Newsletter Company and on this channel, so please subscribe. Because this isn't hype, it's what actually works. Let's be honest, guys. Most side hustles are exhausting. You sell something, you make a buck, and then you have to find, the next sale tomorrow. There's no momentum. Or you're told you need to be a coder or a TikTok influencer, have to start doing some dances, or have a few $1,000s just to get started. And if you stop showing up, everything stops. You're stuck pushing the cart uphill forever. Now imagine a side hustle that works differently. One that one's planet grows stronger with time. That's exactly what a local newsletter is. It thrives on consistency. It doesn't need rare skills or fancy tech. Whether you send it to 200 people or 2 million people, it's the same newsletter, the same content, and guess what? The same send button. People everywhere are hungry for real local info. What's going on, where to eat, what to do, who's doing cool stuff in town. If you could deliver that consistently and honestly, you're not just writing emails, you're building a community. And a real community, that's an asset. The longer you show up, the stronger it gets, the more trust you build, the more valuable it becomes. And then the money part starts making sense. Local sponsors want in because you built a trusted space. You can sell ads, you could promote events, you could highlight local businesses, all making you money, of course. You could use affiliate links for things you genuinely believe in, products or services, or even your favorite local spot. We've even run like treasure hunts and viral giveaways using small and fun items that people love to share. And eventually you can sell your own products and services. This is it, guys. This is it. This is what I'm super excited about. When people trust you, they want more from you. That might be consulting, merch, physical goods, digital services, real services. Your newsletter becomes a warm, ready audience, already interested and already engaged. Here's the thing, and tell me if I'm wrong. The smartest entrepreneurs talk about focus and compounding assets. They're not chasing shiny objects. They go deep on something and let it grow. That's what this is, a compounding digital asset. Most people never get to see what a local newsletter could become because they quit too soon. They want fast wins. They don't stay long enough to see it work. But if you do, if you show up, deliver value, and keep going, momentum builds. Week after week, month after month, it compounds without burning you out. So if you're tired of the grind, if you're done with the hustles that flame out or never get off the ground, this might be what you've been searching for. A local newsletter is how you build once and you publish forever and grow something real, not just an income, but in impact, trust, and reach. If that speaks to you, hit subscribe. This channel is all about helping you build something real from scratch that grows with you. Grab your free guide if you want to launch your own newsletter. The link is in the description. I'm Harry. This is the Newsletter Company. Build once and publish forever. Talk to you soon. Take care.